In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field to a form in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean professional form that captures a typed full name as a signature. Plus, understand what to expect if the dedicated signature field isn't available in your account yet. First, head to your Smartsheet home. This is your starting hub for creating sheets and forms. From here, open the Create experience. You may see template suggestions by role, such as options tailored for company management. Those are useful when you want a head start, but to keep things simple and fully in your control, we'll start from scratch. Choose the option to start from scratch, then select Form. Forms in Smartsheet are connected to a sheet behind the scenes, so creating a form from scratch will give you a fresh sheet and a form builder to work in. This approach ensures that the fields you add to the form become columns in the sheet where responses are stored. Inside the form builder, click the New Field button to add a question to your form. Since we want to capture a signature and the dedicated signature field type may not be visible to everyone yet, we'll use a reliable workaround. Select text number as the field type. This creates a simple single-line input that is perfect for collecting a type name. Next, give the field a clear label that sets expectations, such as type full name as signature. Clarity matters here because your label is what guides respondents to enter their name as consent. You can also add brief helper text that explains what the signature represents, for example, acknowledging that the type name is their agreement. When you're satisfied with the label, click OK to add the field to your form. At this point, you've added a signature field using the text input method. This is a common and accepted pattern for basic acknowledgement on internal forms. As a best practice, consider pairing this with a date field elsewhere on the form so you capture when the agreement was made. You may also choose to make the field required to ensure you always receive a signature with each submission. If you don't see a signature field type in the list, that simply means your planner region does not yet include the new signature feature. When it becomes available to your account, it will appear among the field types and you can switch to it for a more formal signature experience. That's it. You've created a Smartsheet form from scratch and added a clear typed signature field. Save your form, share the link, and you're ready to collect responses.